Dialogue, Part 2. Now we are going to complete the missing parts in the dialogue, so we can learn how to make a full, complete dialogue by ourselves. We will do the first one, page 42. It's a restaurant dialogue. It's a conversation or a dialogue between the waiter and the customer. Before we complete, first thing we have to follow is we have to read all the written words so we can guess what are the missing parts going to be. Let's start. Waiter. It's a question. Then, customer. I'd like a tuna sandwich, please. Have you got orange juice? No, we haven't. We have got. Is it orange Fanta? No. Can I have water, please? A big bottle or a glass? I'm very thirsty. So, no! I said a tuna sandwich and a bottle of water. Sorry, a tuna sandwich and a small bottle of water. No! Sorry, I'll get them now. Thank you very much. By now, we may guess what are the missing words. So the waiter would ask, what would you like to have? Because he said, I'd like a tuna sandwich, please. Have you got orange juice? No, we haven't. We have got, for example, we can say milk, water, and Fanta. Because he said orange Fanta. That's why we have to mention it. Then the waiter said, no, it's lemon. Because he said orange, and he said no, this means that there is no orange, and we have to guess another thing. Then he asked a big bottle or a glass. The customer said, I'm very thirsty. So we may complete by saying a big bottle, please, because we need to be polite. Then the waiter here is going to reply to re-say what was the order. So he said, so a cheese sandwich and a glass of water. Why did we mention something else? Because the customer said, no, I said a tuna sandwich and a bottle of water. This means that the waiter said something wrong. Then after that, we have the customer say, no, I said a big bottle, because the waiter before that said a small bottle. That's all we may think of to complete our missing parts in a dialogue. I need you to try to do alone the shopping dialogue in page 41. It's very easy. Try to read it all first, then try to complete the missing parts. Here is another example. On page 42, complete this dialogue. You are taking an English class at school. Please introduce yourself to the new English teacher. So we have a dialogue between a student and the new English teacher. And let's see. The student said, good morning. My name is Jason. I'm in your English class. The teacher, good morning, Jason. I'm Mrs. Miller. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, Jason, may I ask you some questions? Yes, you may. And here we have some empty spaces for the questions which are going to be between the teacher and the students. So we need to try to guess what is the teacher going to ask the students about. Let me help you with one question or two questions. We could say, for example, what grade are you in? And he replies. Or another one, when did you start studying English? And for example, we can say, I started learning English since grade 1. This is an example. I need you to try to complete the conversation or the dialogue between the teacher and the students and send me back your answers. There is another dialogue. It is a dialogue between you and friends of you that you are going to a party. And it says at the beginning, are you going to the party on Saturday? Well, I was thinking about it. Are you? Yeah, I heard it's going to be a lot of fun. Really? And I need you to try to guess how is the conversation going to be between Adam and Bill. And I need you also to try to guess more conversations on the next pages. This is, for example, a conversation or a dialogue between a mom and you. And it says, imagine a dialogue between you and your mother asking her for a day out with your friends. I need you to try to guess what is your mother going to say. There is also another one. Let's imagine a dialogue between Miss Nelly and a shop assistant. And another one that says, imagine a dialogue between you and your favorite famous character. Wow, it's interesting because you're going to choose your famous character by yourself. I left you the name empty, so you could choose the name of the character that you would like to have a dialogue with. There is another one that says, imagine a dialogue between you and your foreign friend, inviting him or her to visit your country. It's also without a name, so you may choose whatever you want to talk with and write about. I need you to try to go through them so you could make your own dialogue totally by yourself. Thank you very much.